Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. As you can see with me today, I have Samsung Galaxy Z Flip phone, really amazing phone. So today I want to show you how you guys can see the battery percentage option on the top right hand corner. At the moment it is not showing. So how you guys can enable it? First of all, you have to go into the settings and you can see there is option notification. Third option, notifications. Just tap on this one and then there is a new window open and you see there is an option status bar, just the fourth option from the top. Just click on this status bar guys, and when you click on it there is a new window open and there is an option showing show battery percentage. You have to just enable it and here we go guys, 68% battery. Now it is showing the total percentage of the battery in your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip phone guys. Really cool, really amazing features. If you want to disable this option, you don't want to see the battery percentage, same thing, you have to go into the settings and then in notifications and then status bar, you have to click on it and then show battery percentage. Just disable it, it will not show here. Now it is showing because I enable it guys. So here how you guys can see the battery percentage guys. So there is one more option that I want to show you. If you tap on the middle screen on the mobile phone, from the down there is the option home screen settings. Just click on it and then you can see there is option hide apps. You can hide any app on your mobile phone. For example, I want to hide this there are apps over here, so I want to hide. You can hide any app. So you can see here I select one of these and done. Now this app will not show on my screen, no one can see it, so only I know. So this app is not showing anymore in the screen guys. So if I want to see this app on the screen, I have to do the same thing again. I have to tap on the mid of the screen. I will show you. So you have to tap on the mid of screen and then you can see home screen settings option. Just click on it and then just scroll down, hide apps, and then you can see I just minus it and now the app will show on the screen. So the contacts, it was the contact, so it will show on the screen guys. So here you can see the contacts option are showing now guys. So here how you guys can hide any app or anything from your mobile screen guys. So I hope you like the video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.